Comes Amtrak.
That's true.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. You can afford food. Oh, really? What's wrong with it? Let me take it home with me. Let me see if I can take it. I might be able to start it Saturday. Yeah, I'll take it home with me. I'll see if I can fix it. No guarantees for tomorrow, but maybe in a couple weeks. Yeah. You can get it to me at the end of the day.
Okay. Yeah, you're on track 3. You're
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
That's what I understand.
I got my dental TCS.
So he has it. He just got it.
There you go.
Wheel, and then without emergency brakes are bad. Supposedly your engineer is dead. That's really presumption. That's not great. Someone wanted that. I think this is the only thing ever is possible in real life.
Going out of the way.
And then
Here comes the Amtrak Pacific Surfliner.
look at this train.
Amtrak, the Pacific Surfliner.
I want to see that one.
So we shake up this to each other.
Wow. Got this Santa Fe Tinkers. Wow. Got a covered hopper as a buffer car. Wow. To adapt the couplers, the slightly different cars between the locomotives and the tanker cars. And you got a tail lamp flashing in. And the train device. Usually I call that a tail lamp.
That's right.
Yeah, or tail lamp is what I call it.
What did you say?
Oh, look, there's a big. I want to see how long that one.
Is
16. Well, 16 cars. Look at that tiny one. They're waiting for that big freight train to pass.
The Santa Fe tankers. The Santa Fe tanker train. Got a covered hopper being used as a buffer car. So you got the slightly different couples between the locomotives and the tanker cars. Oh.
You okay with me? Say, excuse me. So it's going to go there, and then once that passes, then the other train can go that way.
The Western Pacific and counting is up there. It's waiting. Oops, excuse me.
I see that train coming there. Ooh, going backwards.
Yeah, it's putting the train yard. Here comes the Santa Fe tanker train.
I don't know
Oh my. Did you see? They have an Amtrak Pacific Surfline.
Been a few years. It has.
Here comes the Amtrak Pacific Surfliner. Yeah, here he comes. Looking good. Whoa. Yeah. The river crossing. The Pacific Surfliner. Whoa. What just happened there?
Yeah, I heard it go.
whatever it was. Not Kyle Ruthnick, but you might be listening to Kyle. Anyway, yeah. And it was just like,
The Santa Fe tanker. 653. The Pacific Surfliner. They got lots inside. You got an Amfleet car in there. I think Trainwheel.com will have more of those on for sale.
can't tell you. Anyway.
They're busy right now here. I have to take my train in first. Yeah, they're working on something. Yeah, I have to. Okay. Oh, okay. Stay here.
Maybe you can stop his train and put it over there. And you make
Okay, I
sure
need to pull into the siding.
maybe you can wait until the train's over here.
Which train are you going to send out next?
I'm only saying this because I got to run.
Go ahead because
But
it
I
takes
sent
quite
out
a while.
and got in there and wrote that down.
Here comes the Metrolink.
Huh?
Here comes the Metrolink.
Are you gonna come past me?
I'm good.
Oh, that's at LA. I've seen it in LA. Is that yours?
No.
I thought that was yours.
Passing through a railroad crossing. Or through that railroad crossing right there.
What about it?
The private one.
What railroad crossing?
It's stopping at the station.
Those initials.
Here we go.
What do you want to get out?
But he's up there too. He's up taking a picture. He was out there one of the days
And Diner 59.
Here comes the
Yeah, coming here.
Here comes the Santa Fe. It's pulling tanker cars. It's pulling tanker cars.
Oh, yeah?
They run something for the set. The recent one I was looking on train earlier.
Gotta stop the red signal.
It doesn't look like steam engines or
And I even asked another guy about this. What do you about the engines? I guess he goes, they have an Amtrak media guy.
Santa Fe tanker train.
Yeah, they got guys in the
No, he wanted. He didn't like, I don't like to see it back.
But they always do.
There we go. Now the Amtrak can get through. I got it. Yeah.